My name is Robert Karl. I'm a historian of modern Latin America and the Caribbean and author of the book Forgotten Peace: Reform, Violence, and the Making of Contemporary Colombia. When I started archival research for the book nearly 15 years ago, I had to come up with strategies and tricks in order to work efficiently and then keep my materials organized. This is the experience for most of us. There is no how-to manual for archival and other forms of qualitative research. Most graduate programs don't prepare their students for this essential part of being a historian. Many undergraduates also finish their history degrees without formal training in how historians do what they do. For that reason, in 2018 I created videos covering the strategies that I'd initially developed in the archives and then refined during 10 years of teaching undergraduates and advising PhD students at Princeton. I'm now expanding the conversation with this new YouTube interview series called Research Craft. In it, I'll talk with seniors starting their thesis research, graduate students launching their dissertations, and historians and scholars from related disciplines about what's worked for them and the common challenges we face. This series is partially about sharing ideas and resources to help us work smarter, but these conversations can also help us work more creatively. My experience teaching has shown me that discussion of digital methods can open up rich conversations about historiography, genre, and the writing process. These conversations are additionally important for generating a more humane and inclusive academic community, ensuring in particular that students and scholars from all backgrounds have equitable access to research resources. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for my latest interviews and research videos. This series is very much an outgrowth of conversations and relationships struck up on Twitter, so please join us there as well. I'm at R.A. Karl.